Hi everyone, this is the unboxing video for Galaxy A11. As always, during the lockdown, make sure you use these people so that you keep at home and also you stay safe. So I bought the phone on the Black Friday, and this is the unboxing. So this is the documentation for the invoice. Go ahead and unlock this very fast. So here is my box here. On the front we have a sticker for warranty for Africa. So this is Galaxy A11. Galaxy A11, as you see. So do not accept if seal is broken. The same sticker here, do not accept if seal is broken. So let me go ahead and unwrap the box very fast. So I'm going to just pass it through that, also that. So I'm done cutting them. Let me go ahead and see. So we have another box in here. So this is just a cover. We've got some tiny box here. It has some ratings on it. Let me first put that aside. And we have our device here, very brand new. We have some markings here for the serial number, and also the plastic cover. So here is our device, Galaxy A11. So going down deep inside the box, we've got a Samsung fast trouble charger. So it's a 15-watt charger, very fast enough to charge your device. Also putting this aside, we have the USB-C micro. So this is a USB-C connector. As you can see, the tip here, it's not a micro USB, it's a USB-C. And also we've got our tiny headsets here. So these are Samsung Galaxy headsets, provided also in the box here. And also we've got a SIM eject pin. It's down here in this box, SIM eject pin for changing your SIM card. So that's all we have in this box. So it is Galaxy A11. This is the model number, SM-A11 A115F. So it's dual SIM. Let me go ahead and set it up very fast. This is the first boot. I've just unsealed this phone. So it's got a nice looking body. This is a nice back with a fingerprint. It has triple cameras and a Truton flash. So at the bottom we have a USB-C connector. This is the USB-C connector and the microphone, and also the bottom speaker. So we only have one speaker on this phone. This side is clear. We have the power button and the volume buttons here. Another microphone at the top, as you can see, it's also there, and a headphone jack. So I'm going to set it up later. So this is all we had in our box. So it's kind of impressive. And we have the front camera here. So we have thin bezels and also a thick bezel at the bottom. So this is all with the Galaxy A11. I'm going to do a review about this phone in a few days. Let me go on while using this phone for a while so that I can make a review. So this is all. This is what we had in the box. Oh, I didn't open this. Oh, how is it opened? So we have documentations here, warranty cards, and a quick start guide. So that's all we had for this video. So thank you for watching. This is our unboxing from Jumia.